Hello everyone, welcome to the HardVC channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable website icons next to passwords in the Bitwarden Password Manager app. So the first thing that we're going to do is open the Bitwarden app, then go to the settings in the bottom right of your screen, select Appearance, and here we have Show Website Icons. So right now, if I disable that, you can go to any password or login that's with a website related to it. As you can see, there isn't really a Google icon, it's just an icon of a globe. But then once we enable this option, you can see that there's now a Google icon. So this works for most passwords that have a website connected to them. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.